take a hike to some mountain lakes? Let's go.
Alright, today we're hiking the Spruce Creek Trail up to Mohawk Lakes.
Mohawk Lakes to Mohawk Lakes.
And Blue River, Colorado. But first, let's go back and consult the map real quick.
This readout tells you where you're going, this one tells you where you are, this one tells you where you were.
As you can see, we got a long way to go, so let's get to it.
Here we go!
Maybe just stick to the walking. Break out the chest mount. You are going here. Looks like we're starting to get above tree line. Look at these cheaters. Just kidding. If I had one, I'd probably do it too. Oh, that's a decent amount of water. I guess we have a path that way. Looking for the drier routes here. Whew, this hike is awesome.
And right about now is where I lost control of my drone due to high winds.
Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
Well, the wind just took my drone. Almost thought I lost him. That wind tossed him so hard. Well, this is the lower lake. I got about 2.5 miles more to the upper lake for some steep turn. Show you where we're going. Here's the lower lake. We're gonna take this up and it switchbacks this way over this way. I believe it's right up around that point. All right, 2.2 miles we gotta go. So far we've gone, what have we done here? 1.8. Whew. Got a little ways to go. I got the whole day off. I'm not doing anything. You're not doing anything if you're still watching. So let's keep it moving. Boop, 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 boop. Start to see the terrain start to change. Whew. Little switchbacks here. Got my hopes up. Peak 10, all the way to the top. Take a look here. There's the tip of the top, Peak 10, aka 4th of July Bowl, if y'all recall. Upper Mohawk Lake. Pretty sweet though, huh? Venture down there. Let's go check out that glacier.